All right, so here it is. You can see, way too nice to be in my shop. And I think we're going to have to buy about 500 rolls of bubble wrap, just cover this thing up before I even touch it. But believe it or not, the customer wants some upgrades done to it, if you can believe it. So with all the junk that's normally in here, it's tough to believe something like this actually needs an upgrade. But we'll go ahead and do a walk around of this thing, show you how nice and cool it is, and then we'll dive into what upgrades he's wanting to get done. So let's check it out. 1974 Ford Bronco. This thing has been had a lot of work done over the years. It's got the generation crippling set up, 3 pedals in the floor, 2 sticks over here. See if anybody can figure out what all that does, right? This thing's sharp. Got the upholstery done. Overall, this thing has been, the bodywork's been redone on it. Right now it's got the bikini top on it. Looks really good. It's been lifted up, new shocks, wheels, tires. I mean, it looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and get her opened up and show you what we're working with on the inside. The outside looks great, so what's in here? And okay, we got some cleaning up to do. All right, so we're working with the smaller inline 6-cylinder here, 2-barrel carb. Pretty simple setup. It has been upgraded to a newer style power steering box. I can show you all this stuff shortly. We've got upgraded power brakes on it. It is a 3 on the tree. Evidently, it's had quite a bit of work done. It doesn't drive constantly. And if anybody knows anything about these older vehicles, you don't drive them all the time like a daily driver. Seals and stuff start to go bad. So I think that's part of what happened with this thing here. And, well, that's fine. You stay right there. So this has got the little single barrel, little 2-barrel carburetor on it. And he wants to upgrade that. And we've got a pretty bad exhaust leak. Something to allow this whole thing to be able to breathe and run down the road and not overheat and just be a good running vehicle where you can just go cruise it. Especially a day like today where it's 75 degrees out. Top off of it, bikini top on, go cruise around with the family. Warm winch system on the front. It's been upgraded. Power brakes, power steering, better steering box with a better ratio. And we'll clean some of this stuff up too for them. Make it look nice, do a good job for them while it's upgraded radio system. Obviously they didn't have that kind of LCD display in 74. You can Bluetooth to it and everything, really nice. All this has been Linexed, so the floors have all been redone. And they even put custom seat belts in it. Wonder what GM stands for. Well, let the disappointment begin. Had to completely abort upgrades. Carburetor, the upgrade, all that didn't fit. The header didn't fit. We modified the header. That still didn't work because of the starter. So we went ahead and just put it back together. We'll go ahead and start it up, see how it runs, see how it sounds. Well, it looks like a Cheech and Chong video. See all the run down here. Pretty much everything that's spilled on it, burn it off. It's looking good. It sounds good. There you go. Good running little engine. I think we'll put the air cleaner on. After all this burns off a little bit, it's good and warm. Maybe take it for a little cruise. Maybe I'll take it all along with me. Yeah, maybe. Air cleaners for dummies like me. Front. Printed right there straight from the factory. Thank you, Henry Ford. Yeah. Oh, can I get out? Yep. Here we go. Okay. Let's make some preparations for a little road trip. How did I get this shop so nasty? Is that part? Yep, I knew it. There's that part of the head. Let's see if y'all can see this at all. Probably not. This is what broke off the head on the very top rear cylinder where the exhaust manifold bolts up. So this thing was brittle when I got it. definitely going to have to do a lot of work to it, but we'll enjoy what we got right now. Let's go check it out. Well, evidently the microphones that I have do not like any noise at all. So you'll notice in the video there's a lot of distortion. So I thought the best thing to do is take a quick little cruise, let you hear it run, hopefully. Hopefully you can hear my voice all right. We'll go from there. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, 3 on the tree, all the way back down. Let's head forward. It's cold. Give it a minute, it's trying to flood out. Let's get it going up the road, get some of the cobwebs blown out. All right, so that's going to do it for this episode of Heart Rock Garage. Wasn't everything we thought it was going to be, but at least we got something awesome in here. So it's going to be back. We got to get all the upgrades ready. We got to get all the parts ready to do the upgrades. So it's fun messing with this whole thing. It's cool to have something this nice in here. It's not often you see one in this good a shape. They're usually rotted out, rusted, or they're going for $200,000 on a Barrett Jackson show. So it's cool to see one of these around here. If you want to see more on this thing, let me know down in the comments. Put down in the comments what you'd like to see. We've got some, of course, the carburetor and the header, the exhaust upgrades we got to do. We get all that finished and complete, then maybe we can do some suspension work and steering. We'll just see how it goes. Don't know. Depends on what the owner wants to do, but appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it. More to come on this. And, of course, my ranchero that's sitting out there in the background just impatiently waiting for me to give it some attention. I've been neglecting her for a while. She's kind of getting, just, you see, just sitting there. I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.